Here is the Olympus tape recorder motor that I disassembled earlier. I'm about to reassemble it. First thing I'm going to do is try to lengthen the back end of the shaft to solve the binding issue. Hold on a moment. Alright, I couldn't find anything, so we'll just keep doing that. I'm not going to hit too hard because I don't want to break it. Alright, I'm going to try here. Alright, I think I got that lengthened up just a bit. So now I will start to put everything back together. Make sure that it goes back into the brush assembly right. Now we are going to there we are. And now to just hopefully put the top right back on. There we are. Top is on. Let's test it out. Okay, let's try this one first. No guarantees that it's going to work, but let's try it out. If it doesn't work, I'll just do more work on it. Okay, I'm probably going to have to do more work on this motor. Let me try another battery. Maybe it wants a higher voltage. Okay, I'm going to have to do more work to get this to work, right? But it's back together again. I will come back when I get it